Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Celia, and what am I doing? This is a voiceover because while I was recording, I noticed when it was too late that most of my videos recorded without any sound. So this is basically like a get ready with me vlog for my birthday. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup, my hair. I have a new loctician. I'll make a whole new video about that. But for starters, the first thing that I'm really talking about are my lips, because I got sunburn on my lips. Every summer I get sunburn on my lips like clockwork. As soon as the sun come out, my lips get dry and crispy. And I've been trying to find a solution every year, and I did find one, but I'll share that with you guys. Right now I'm getting ready to see my new loctician for a consult. I was scheduled for just her to like basically look through my hair and see what I got to work with. And I think it was like, this was like the 8th week that I was going without a retie, but I'll put another video about like how that went and do an 18-month retie or 18-month update basically for my hair. This new loctician that I'm going to is quite a travel for me, so I'm about to get ready and I'm gonna make breakfast first.
Going through on his own, and the demons that he's facing alone. Sometimes I can't go home, man. It just ain't the same on the phone, no. But everybody's gotta go, don't they? Yes, we do. So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now, cause you gotta save yourself.
Yeah, I gotta hang on.
The sun will come out, nothing good ever comes easy. I know times are rough, winners don't quit, don't you give up. The sun will come out, but we've been struggling, and let's face it, they will find love. Cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom.
Okay guys, so I remember this moment vividly. I'm just coming back from my new loctician, and she was so, when I tell y'all the experience was so lit, she like ended up doing a braid out for me the same time as a consultation. She actually started retying some areas first, but I was just like, I've never had a braid out, and she started doing it for me, and she's just like, oh no, we about to do this today. So she did the braid out for me. I'm talking about my experience a little bit, but like I said, I'll get more into detail later. This is me at home. I basically decided to twirl the ends like a bantu knot and rubber band them so they're curly the next day. So this is the next day, and I'm about to take my hair out. So basically stay tuned. I was so excited, you guys. It came out so nice.
Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you haven't seen. I think you're true, there's something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around. Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they telling me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't wanna receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nut in room. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. This my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
Take a sip.
Cheese. I don't know how to take
Video.
pictures on that anymore.
It's a video.
Oh.
Take a sip.